Hello everyone, welcome back to the Statistics Bio 7. In this episode 35 of the MedCalc podcast series on Statistics Bio 7. In this tutorial, we will learn how to perform the Friedman test in MedCalc. What is the Friedman test? A Friedman test is a non-parametric alternative to the repeated measures ANOVA, used when the repeated measures do not meet normality assumptions. So, we take the data set for the Friedman test in MedCalc. Find source for the treatment before and after for the baseline 0 to 10 and the 2 weeks for the treatment before and treatment 4 for the treatment after. So the data analyzed for the Friedman test in MedCalc software. So go to the top menu of the MedCalc software, select for the statistics options and selected for the ANOVA and selected for the last one Friedman test. Then open the new tab after the click on your mouse the Friedman test. So the first one for the variable options, the multiple options present in the Friedman test. So this is the Friedman test not used for the independent data set, and all the data you used for the dependent variables. So only. So the first one for the variables for the baseline and the week 1 add to the second variable and the variable third for selected for the week 4. At the filter for the options, any your data any group format used for the filter, particularly the single group or two group or multiple group only analyzed in your the data, choose for the filter options, because we need for we not selected for the any groups, so I am not used for the filter options. And the another one options for the significant levels, the present the different significance of levels in the MedCalc software for 0.20, 0.10 and 0.05, 0.025 and 0.01. And I choose for the selected for the standard significant levels in the 0.05. Then click to the OK button. Then open the new tab for the Friedman test result. The cases in the separate sheet of the 10 variables, 10 rows for in the data, and the cases with missing value is 0. So on the cases of the including the data analysis for the 10 and the descriptive statistics of the pain source for the treatment after and the before the treatment and after treatment of the data set, the baseline for the number of the samples in the 10 and week 1 and week 4 also the 10, and the minimum the baselines present for the mean value 6 and the minimum value present in the 6 and maximum value for the minimum value present in the baseline 6 and the week 1 4 and week 2 for the 3 and 25% of the data 7 and the 5 and 3 for the week 4. Then median value for 7.5, 5.5 and the 4 for the week 4, and the maximum the highest the value present in the baseline 9 and the week 1 for the 8 and week 4 for the 6. So the Friedman test the table, the high square value 20 and the degrees of freedom 2 and the significance level of the phi less than 0.001, and the multiple comparison for the baseline, the mean rank 3 and the week 1 for the 2 and the week 4 for the 1. So the difference for the p less than 0.05 in the variable 2 3 and 1 3 and the 1 2, and the minimum record the different for the mean rank the value 0.00, and the another one options provide for the multiple variable the graph options in the MedCalc software. Choose for the option, open the new tab. So the variable selected for the already used the baseline week 1 and the week 4, the choose for the refer in the MedCalc software, the choose the line and the dot diagram for the suitable in the Friedman test. So I choose for the bar graph or the box plot. So I choose the box plot and unclick for the dot and line chart. So the options for the logarithmic transformations not selected because our the data is very simple and the sake data. So the compared to complete the case studies only. So click to the OK button, then the draw for the graph in the box plot and whisker plot. So the simple edited options, the hide, the guideline and color changes of the graph, format, box and whisker. On the right click on your mouse, open the new tab, the fill the color, choose for the any different colors. And the border color choose for the black. Okay, and the font of the graph and already selected for the time Roman and the 23. So this is for the square box, the format color change to the fill the color. Marker color block. So the comparative the case study of the graph in the Friedman test, the baseline week 1 and week 4 for the after the treatment. So any doubt on this video for the Friedman test in the MedCalc software, comments in the comment box. I will reply to you, and interpretation of this result and the multiple variable graph explained for our Blacker post. The post link also mentioned to this video description box. Okay, thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, click to the subscription button. Thank you.